Understanding the phrase, rig up, in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, rig up. This is a commonly used phrase in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's dive in. Rig up is a phrasal verb. When we say, rig up, we're talking about assembling or arranging something in a quick, makeshift manner. Often, it's used when someone sets something up using available materials, even if they're not the ideal or standard materials for the job. Example, he rigged up a temporary shelter using branches and a tarp. In this case, the person didn't have a tent, but they made do with what they had, branches and a tarp. Rig up can be used in various contexts, both literally and figuratively. 1. Practical uses. It's often used in contexts where someone is setting up equipment or machinery. Example, they rigged up a pulley system to lift the heavy boxes to the top floor. 2. Technological context. In modern times, we can also use rig up to refer to quick technological setups. Example, I didn't have the right cable for my computer, so I rigged up a solution using some spare parts. 3. Figurative uses. Sometimes, rig up can be used in a more figurative sense, referring to non-physical arrangements. Example, the community rigged up an impromptu event to celebrate the local team's victory. Here, no physical rigging took place, but they quickly and spontaneously arranged an event. While rig up is a versatile phrase, there are common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't use it in very formal settings. While rig up is informal and commonly understood, in very formal situations or writing, it's better to use terms like assemble or set up. 2. Make sure it fits the context. Rig up implies a certain hastiness or improvisation. It's not used for meticulously planned and executed tasks. Incorrect. The engineers rigged up the new skyscraper. Correct. The engineers constructed the new skyscraper. And there you have it. We've explored the phrase, rig up, understood its meanings in different contexts, and learned common pitfalls to avoid. Remember, the beauty of the English language lies in its rich tapestry of phrases and expressions. Keep exploring, and every phrase you master brings you one step closer to fluency. We hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!